Welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into how to revolutionize the shop floor using the Lean approach, tailored for the people to tackle daily challenges and strive to simplify processes or boost results. If you're new to the channel, I'm Anna and here we talk about all things continuous improvement related. So let's talk about how you can make impactful changes and engage your team every step of the way. Let's go. Tip number 1, start small and observe. The best way to make changes stick is by starting small. Observe the daily workflow on the shop floor, talk with the people performing the tasks you are observing. Don't forget, be neutral, don't judge, and identify pain points. After observing, you can choose something small but efficient to start helping that person or team. For example, if team members are wasting time and frustrated about searching tools, start with organizing workstations. This simple improvement builds momentum for larger changes. Tip number 2, involve the team from day one. People who do the work daily often have the best insights. Host brainstorming sessions or Gemba walks to gather their input. Remember, involve management first before approaching to a certain team. And don't judge. Your request to gather input might already be provoking some discomfort. People are outside their routines and habits, or even stress. They need to stop the tasks they are doing to join you on a brainstorm session or a Gemba walk, but most of the time, at the end of the working day, they will be expected to deliver the same amount of work done. Having that in mind will help to relate to team members. This not only ensures better solutions, but also increases buy-in for the changes you are about to implement together with the team. Tip number 3, prioritize problems with impact. Focus on issues that have a direct effect on safety, productivity, or quality. If you ask me, first of all, safety is the biggest priority. We all like to, at the end of the day, go back to our families in good health and condition. After giving solutions to safety issues, go ahead and choose quality or production issues. Rank them by severity or urgency and define priorities, actions, responsibilities, and deadlines together with the team. For example, addressing a bottleneck in production could significantly reduce lead times and improve overall efficiency. This issue might receive priority compared to others. A good place to define priorities and make them visible for all teams to see is the SQDC board. As usual, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe the channel, hit the bell button to be notified every time there is a new video, and leave your comments below. I'd love to hear about how you implement changes in your workplace. And if you are still curious on how to implement Lean culture and tools on the Gemba, take a look at our webpage. I left the link in the description below. Tip number 4, make it visual. Use visual tools like shadow boards, charts, andons, tags, or Kanban systems to clarify the changes you're implementing. For instance, a color-coded chart to indicate machine status can streamline communication and reduce downtime. An andon can show which machines are running without an issue, which ones are stopped or need intervention soon. Shadow boards can maintain workplaces organized, tools in place, and ready to use to verify during shift change. Tip number 5, test before rolling out. Run small-scale tests for new processes or tools before full implementation. When implementing some new tools, define a pilot area. This should be a smaller area where you and your team can try to implement a tool, and once it's proven that it brings benefits, it should be rolled out in other areas. This minimizes disruptions and allows for adjustments. For example, if you are introducing a new scheduling method, try it with your team in a small area first. Tip number 6, share quick wins. Celebrate small successes to keep morale high. When communicating with your team, you should inform not only about needs, duties, things that need to be done, but once success is seen, make sure to congratulate your team and show the team members how their help was decisive and necessary to achieve good results. For instance, if a reorganization saves 10 minutes per shift, let the team know how their input created the result. Recognition fuels motivation. Tip number 7, provide training and support. Change often requires new skills. Whether it's a lean tool like 5S or using new software, make a list of skills team members have and develop a plan to provide hands-on training and ongoing support to help your team succeed. You can build a skill matrix, for example, and identify in which element should you put a bit more focus on. Tip number 8, set clear metrics and goals. Define clear metrics for the change implementation, like reducing downtime by 15% or cutting rework by half. Study the processes involved first, analyze what can be achieved, and don't forget to guide your team members into defining goals and metrics that they also feel comfortable with. Communicate these goals and track progress visually so everyone knows how they're contributing to success. Tip number 9, encourage open feedback. Create a culture where feedback is welcome. When provoking changes, you need to make sure you are willing to listen, accept different opinions, and respect other people's ideas. Team members need to feel respected, heard, and that their opinions matter. Create a safe place where there are no bad ideas and no one is judged for sharing thoughts. If something isn't working, encourage team members to voice concerns so adjustments can be made quickly. And last but not least, tip number 10, keep it continuous. Remember, improvement is a journey, not a one-time task. Regularly revise processes, encourage innovation, and celebrate the culture of continuous improvement on the shop floor. Make sure to assign clear responsibilities before moving to another area or implementation project, and pass by once in a while to see if team members need some help, have it under control, or need to clarify some doubts. So, what's the biggest challenge you've faced when implementing changes on the shop floor? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts and discuss them in a future video. That's it. These 10 tips are definitely going to help you go through with your improvement implementations in a smooth, simple way and will help you solve daily challenges, simplify processes, and boost results on the shop floor. As always, have fun with your lean implementations and see you